welcome back. We are looking at Holo live today, or just Holo, whatever you want to call it. I kind of already started it. I started it a long time ago, and I don't really remember what I did. But I did figure out that step 8, or task 8, is where we actually start. So we're going to treat this guy like he's realistic, right? So let's go ahead and see what my IP address is first. My total IP is 1050.104.236. Oh my god, I actually cannot talk to that network right there. Well, one of these networks I should be able to talk to, right? That's how I'm going to go with. Or maybe I can. Let's find out. Yeah, so, yeah, it's okay. So I can talk to DC server 01, which to me means like domain controller. So it'd be really weird if I could just talk straight to the domain controller. Well, let's find out. Let's do an mmap. TAC V TAC, TAC VV. Do not ping right. TAC T4. Boom, boom, boom. For 10.200.108.30. Looks like that's where we're going to be attacking. Or maybe just 10.200.108.0/24. Let's try that first. Alright. So we'll do a 10 dot, and we had 200. Suppose your network rate. .200.108.0/24. We're going to try to just see, hey, I mean, I'm doing all ports in there too. That probably wasn't the best idea, huh? But we'll give it a minute. And I told it to do not ping also did. That's going to take freaking forever. So I'm going to do that. That'll be a little bit faster. 10.100.108.204. 10.200.108. Okay, I already messed up. 200. Just leave the video now. 108.30. 108. There. Alright, so supposedly scanning 256 hosts, 2 ports per host. See if they're open or not, right? And we are getting somewhere. Let's very first look at the known network. We'll go ahead and throw this in there, right? That was a Control-Shift-Print screen, just so you guys know. Okay, there's our known network. Now from here, let's go ahead and do a nmap scan. And whenever you can make a copy and paste, try to make a copy and paste. Alright, no point in retyping everything, especially since this is supposed to be able to go to any person, and they should be able to do it. Alright. So we are starting to see some ports being open. So we got 108.33 and 108.33 to 250. I don't know who 250 is. Is that this guy? No, 108.250. That might be like a router or something like that, maybe. We're going to go ahead and let this guy run. Let's actually check out that guy. That 108.33 while we can. Mmap, TAC P. TAC P TAC will do. 10.200.108.33. And we'll do a TAC T4, TAC VV, TAC PN. We have an 1822, obviously. We see that. We're going to do a NICDO URL on 10.200.108.33. Let's also go ahead and look at that. 10.200.108.33. And we get Holo Live up here. Welcome to Holo Live. So let's go ahead and make a print screen of that, like right there. And we'll say web page, right? There we go. And let's go ahead and change this over in my sudo nano etsy host. I'm going to take 10.200.108.33. I'm already getting somewhere. This would be nice. And we'll put him to Holo Live, it looked like. Alright, so this is supposed to emulate a real network. Holo Live. Ooh, we're having trouble finding that site. Probably because I put in www. That's not a thing, is it? Keeps trying to go to www now. Can we do that? Can we do like a little... Listen, this is like a real thing. We're going to try to do a GoBuster for both the back end and also the vhost, right? Make sure there's nothing on the front end. Ooh, okay. So let's go ahead and print screen that actually. Do this like right here. Then just say, after putting IP address into Etsy host, we continue, wait no, the browser would continue to add www to the beginning. For that reason, we then did www.holo.live. And let's go ahead and show that. And before that, we'll actually show our Etsy host file. Sudo nano Etsy host. Alright, we'll go ahead and show this file. There it is, like right there, right? That's what we just threw in there. Alright, cool. Now, let's go ahead and continue on. What else can we possibly do to this network? So let's start throwing some GoBusters at it. Let's start throwing GoBuster vhost at it, and let's see what we can start doing here, huh? How are her... See, this is why I say that people that watch anime are freaking borderline whatever. Because, I mean, look at this. This is weird stuff. Alright. There's a WordPress with the robots.txt. We know that much so far, so that's good knowledge right there. It looks like we have some type of 33060. Most likely going to be a database for MySQL. A lot of people like to do that, take 3306 and change it into 33060, thinking that, you know, you're going to trick somebody. What my map just ran for 3 more minutes. That's what you did. You wasted 3 minutes on me. Good job. Let's continue. Let's do a GoBuster. Aircrack-ng www.holo.live. Word list will stay as user share word list. There be big.txt. I've always used big.txt during all my tests and never really had a problem with it. So we can try that first. Let's go ahead and try something else down here. Alright. We got those 2 mmap scans going, which I don't really think we need this one going anymore. So we're going to exit out here. Keep these ones going up here. Our main one. Let's go ahead and do a GoBuster vhost, right? aircrack-ng http www. Well, actually, I want to get rid of www. So we want to do this would be like dev.holo.live or admin or something like that. So we'll do holo.live. W user share word list. There be big.txt. Oh boy, okay. Great. So I need the www. Great. So I'm still trying to find. So I wonder if we're gonna need to do a fuzz on it or something like that, like a fuff or wfuzz. We have been doing those lately. Just a thought. Alright, let's stop that. Let's actually do a sudo nano Etsy host. Let's actually just add in Holo Live also. Let's try that. I don't want 400 statuses though. Like that's not. Can GoBuster actually like not look at something? Like wfuzz, fuff, all them. I'm not gonna have it not look at something. Can GoBuster also do that? Or maybe get rid of a size that's 422 or something like that, you know? We got an admin, and that's 200. God damn, can we get rid of these 400s? I think I might be using fluff here in a minute just to get rid of all the 400s, stuff like that. Okay. Alright. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to do HTTP holo.live big.text host. Yep, in the front of that, fuzz holo.live. And we don't want anything 100 threads. Also 1337 port up here. That's not something that's normal. NC 10, 200, 108, 250, 1337. This is just a quick test. See what happens. I didn't want to do that. Okay, nothing happens. Alright. Let's go ahead and do FFUF. I just want to see how to get rid of like 400 errors or whatever. Let's see if we can get them first. How about that? Yes, we do. Okay. Actually, everything looks like 200. Alright. Those are all not 200s, though. We know that, right? So let's go ahead and get rid of words 1288, it looks like. What was it? FW? Yeah. FW1288. Okay. Looks a little bit better. I mean, I don't really want to see the progress. I don't care that much. So we know there's an admin, right? We also know there's a robot. And we also know that's running WordPress. And we got some stuff up here, right? We got this, what was that? That's 200, admin. Admin. Can we, like, now see, like, the progress? What's that? Admin, okay. And then we also have a whole live WP admin. Okay? So we know, we're running something here. WP admin again. It's redirecting. So admin's redirecting. 302 redirection to there. 301, 302, 302. 301. So we are getting stuff getting redirected, right? I thought we could get into that images folder. So we're getting some weird stuff going on here, right? We got that so far. We got robots.txt, we believe. We have admin.holo.live, right? Which I'm going to let these two guys go through their whole thing. This is also going to be a longer stream with things like this because I'm going to let them actually do what they're supposed to do. These different, what do we got going on here? What is this? What are you? Where'd you even come from? Oh God, are you my one thing? Are you my fluff? Okay, I can't read you anymore. Control C, stop. You're my fluff, aren't you? Okay, there. Much better. So we're going to let these guys actually go through their whole thing. So this stream might be like, you know, these boxes might take a lot longer because it's supposed to be realistic. So we're going to let them go through all, excuse me, 20,470. We could have also saved the output of it. You know, could have some of that. But as of now, let's go ahead and do a directory group forcing. We'll do vhost. Okay. For vhost, we use fuff, right? And we put in this command like right here. Right? Let's throw this in there. And then for just the regular directory brute force, we went ahead, we used crap. Go Buster, right? Oh, that's supposed to be vhost. Whoopsie daisy, sorry. And vhost we used fluff. There we go. We'll throw this command in there. Some people can copy and paste things like that, right? Okay, cool. Packets are having a little bit of a problem, but okay. So we also got a dev. We also get a dev here. So we have an admin. We also have a dev. Alright, admin, dev. Dev actually looks a lot bigger than admin does, huh? I want to check out that dev. Dev.holo.live. You're right, you are having problems finding that. So I need to put them in the Etsy host. So cat, or nano, pseudo nano, Etsy host, right? And we are going to put in there dev.holo.live and also admin.holo.live, right? Now, these had different lines like right here, it's like all capital, because if it's a Linux machine, then it's going off of case sensitive. It is case sensitive. So if these had different lines, then yes, I would 100% add in like capital, all capital admin or something like that, you know. But right now, we're just going to be looking at dev holo live because that had the most information, it looks like, about it. And it's probably going to be a dev network of what is actually we're actually seeing. So an all new redesign, we have home, talent, and about. Now, something else we're also going to have to do, which is going to suck, is we're also going to have to do a Go Buster on these three, right? We got to look at all these guys and see what are you guys doing, right? So, okay, talent has some photos in it. Meet our talents. Okay, Adidas. That's a talent now. Right click, open image in new tab. Let's see how it opens up. So we right click that, we open that image in a new tab. That looks like a problem. File equals. So let's go ahead and let's put under vhost, and we'll say dev.holo.live, and then we'll also say admin.holo.live. We haven't even touched that WordPress yet, huh? So let's go ahead and stick with this dev link right now, because this is definitely an issue. So let's go to dev.holo.live. We'll say, hey, this is like already got. We found this talent.php page, right? Oh, hey, thanks a lot. In 1 second, I'll be able to see who that was who just followed. Thank you very much for following, though. That's awesome. All right, let's go ahead and do that dev.holo.live. We'll throw that into there. At least I think I will. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that's a tough one. 8-bit Oni, thank you very much. Thanks a lot for following. Alright, crushed it. Crushed it. Probably shouldn't have had this picture up right here. That thing was confusing the hell out of me. So if I click on one of those, right, and then we do a right click, open image in new tab, let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll say, because we got to make the walkthrough for someone, if they never used a computer before, they should be able to do it. So right click on image, right link, yep, right click on image, and go to open in new tab, because to me it looks like we have local file inclusion over here. Once we open that up in new tab, we get this, right? That's what we're really looking at, like right there. Is that, okay? And just to show that, hey, yeah, that is the correct tab, we're going to leave that guy in there. Now, looks like LFI. Now, if none of this worked, if I really felt like there was local file inclusion in there, I'll still send it up. Disclaimer, I forgot to say this at the very beginning. I want to say this at the very beginning. All right, I am not a penetration tester. Said that many times. I'm in the Marine Corps. I'm networking. I know Cisco routers, Cisco switches. I do this for fun, and hopefully to one day be able to, whenever I retire soon, be able to do this because I find this to be amazing. I find it very, very fun, and I just have a blast doing it, and I love the community of the people that are in this community. Let's go ahead and try to look at Etsy password and see if we get anything. Open with, yeah, sure, just open with gedit. Ooh, okay, okay. So we put in Etsy password and we got something, right? And 33060, I think I have an idea. I think I might have an idea. Okay, so okay, let's go ahead and throw that in there. Let's say LFI was found. Okay, cool. So now what we have to do is we have to actually look up OWASP, right? LFI, right? So we have to actually boom boom. Then we would do an OWASP LFI CVE, I guess. I don't think they have CVEs for LFI, but change to English. Let's see here. Because we want to have some type of reference for this, and not Wikipedia, that the company can actually use. Okay, so we are looking at, Jesus, oh God, oh God. We are looking at one of these guys over here. Broken axis control, loose fits position. Okay. Injection. What is injection? Cross-site scripting, SQL injection, external. Okay. Insecure design. Set storage of credentials. Maybe secure. Vulnerable outtake exploits identification. Broken access control. I don't think it's going to be this, because that would mean that I can get in. Injection, insecure design, security misconfigurations. This is kind of something that I usually do at the very end also. And I'll usually say like LFI. I'll be like, hey, like, OWASP LFI cheat sheet. Just for local file inclusion. We already did that. Okay, injection. So it's injection. It's looking like. So it's going to be injection and force of injection. XPath for us. Okay, LDF. So SQL injection, most famous one. So is LFI a form of injection, I guess? Okay. I'm actually going to probably do all this at the very end, and we're just going to take the notes that I took and everything, and we're going to make a whole little document out of that. I do mine a little bit different than what you usually hear online, but you'll see how I do mine. It's just different, just how I like to do it. Doesn't mean that somebody else has to do it that way. But if we had 33060 open, this is like our response going now, right? Can we look up config.php? Okay, that was nothing, like right there. Crap. Alright. We do have... So there's nobody here that can do bin bash. We do have a sync. Okay. We do have MySQL. It's MySQL server. Okay. Can we look at var www html dev config.php? Nope. You can't really look at /home. There's not going to be too much we can look at from here now. Now we need to figure out what to do from here. I kind of want to look at the one guy, that dev one, the config.php, because what I want to see does that work? What I want to see is if I can actually get like a username and password. I can't figure out how their file system is broken down. It may not even be in var www.html. It might be in something like, you know, file equals, can I just do like config.php since it's already there? No. Okay. Well, we did get that guy to work like right there. WP config.php? Because we know WordPress is this, right? No. Okay. So, where are we at in this guy anyways? How are we doing over here? Ugh. What we got going on down here? Oh, this is still guys looking at WordPress. Whoops. Alright. I'm Marceline. Alright, just gonna keep going through them then. I think still as I was looking at WordPress right now, we're looking at dev.holo. Which I might be, in all honesty, going down a rabbit hole, but file equals images. File equals var www WordPress WP config. Oh, okay. That was easy. Database users admin DB manager login. Can we use that like right there? Can we do a little MySQL tac u admin and then attack capital H 10.200 dot, what the heck was your IP address? 108.33. Is it lowercase h? Okay, let's go ahead and... Hey man, how you doing? Good, Sharma, how are you? Let's go ahead and get this like right here, like real quick, because we have credentials now for logging in a database, right? WordPress WP config. We have those credentials for logging in the database. Let's go ahead and throw those onto here, and we'll just say database credentials found. There we go, and then we can go ahead and do a echo admin, and it was DB manager login. Let me go ahead and go to the real site, so I can actually do that with an exclamation point actually. Into, and we'll echo that into database user path dot text. Cool. Okay, so we have a login for that. Now we still need to get actually into this guy, but at least we found a login, right? So we found a login. What if I'm wondering if I can also use that login to be able to do more than just that, right? As like a WP, you know, login. I wonder if they have like the same thing, if they reuse the password for the admin user on WP login. Let's try that like real quick also. So we'll do a holo.live / WP config.php, or not WP config, but WP login.php. And when I want, really, forbidden. Why is it forbidden? Is it WordPress / WP login? Okay. Nope. That's like cannot be found. Well, let me log in. Okay. Got another idea. We can always check out that robots, right? Okay, we want to definitely get all this also because that shouldn't be pointing toward. That's a finding. We shouldn't be able to see the robots.txt. So let's go ahead and throw this into here like real quick. And we'll just say this is going to be for directories though. Robots. Okay. Now let's continue on with this, right? So there's robots.txt. We have wp-config, which we actually just looked at that. But we do see this WordPress. We probably could have made this a lot easier ourselves. We do have our wp-admin like right there. Let's try that. Or wp-login. wp-login.php / WordPress / wp-login.php. And it says that page can't be found. So is this allowing all this, right? We already found what we wanted to find in wp-config.php, right? We're not going to be able to really find anything here, I don't think. I don't think we'll be able to find anything in wp-login, right? I can't get into WordPress in all honesty, so that's not really helping me out very much either. So, I do at least want to be able to log in today. You know what I'm saying? To WordPress or the what's it called, the database. I do want to at least be able to log in into there today, just so next time we come at this guy, we can go ahead and we can just do it like that. You know. Where is? That's the robots.txt, right? And I'm not seeing anything else within robots.txt, right? So we have to look at admin or anything like that, right? We have to look at anything else. We found some stuff and then we kind of got stuck on it, right? So let's go ahead and look at the admin. That Holo.live. And I did say it's going to suck, so we're going to have to look at every single thing. So that's user admin. Don't save, admin password. Don't save. Let's go ahead and grab that and try some SQL map on it, like real quick, just to make sure. SQL map. Tag U. Tag forms. Yes. Okay, so right now it's showing might not be injectable. Let's also do a GoBuster. So we did our GoBuster scan, and this thing did not break it down the way I wanted it to. That's freaking sucks, and now it just looks like ass. So I'm going to have to do that all over again. So we're going to have to put that into a directory.txt. We'll do Holo live directory .txt, and we need to come up with another one also, which is great. So let's go ahead and Control C this guy. He's done enough. Let's go ahead and cat Holo live. Okay, cool. So it is actually putting stuff into there. Let's go ahead and do a GoBuster dir-tag-u http admin.holo. Remember we found that in the beginning. .holo.live for user share wordless derby big.txt, and we'll put that into a admin Holo live dir.txt. Okay, we'll drop that in there. And lastly, let's do a GoBuster dir-tag-u on http dev .holo.live. Tag W for a user share wordless derby / big.text, right? And we will put that into dev holo live.text. Alright, so we have 3 GoBusters running. Oh, the broadcasting I was watching has ended. That's a lie. Should have ended. Yeah, right here. I kicked out my own stream. Probably kicked myself out in all honesty. Exactly what I would do too. So at least my mmap's done, so that's good. So let's go ahead and grab this mmap up here, right? That's okay. Because if I cat it, it's not going to be a big deal. So let's at least just grab this guy up here, right? And we will start to work on him, huh? So let's go ahead and show what we did first to find everything, right? I already did that. Cool. So from here, we pull down this like right here, right? There we go. Okay. And now from here, what we need to do is a little mmap tac p tac sc or tac p 33060 tac sc tac sv, and it's 33060 is also the port. So even if I try to do it, I wouldn't have gotten it right with the MySQL injection. Or with the database. Okay, that's okay. We'll try again here in a minute. For 10.200.108.33, I don't even need to really even do that because it says MySQL like right there. So I don't need to do any of this, but we'll go ahead and we'll run it just in case. And let's go ahead and run the same thing on port 1337. And that's 10.200.108.250. mmap tac p, that guy right there. That should be on port 1337. Tac VB, tac SC, tac SV. We can do a timer 4, and then we can do a do not ping. Whatever, don't care. And we'll try to get that guy going. Right? And let's go ahead and try to do a MySQL. Tac U admin. Tac capital P 33060. Error. Okay. Let's type in MySQL. Tac help. Tac P is password. Tac capital P is the port. I think it's capital H, produce HTML output. Tac H is host name. Connect to a host. Crap. Okay, nope, I had it right. And then lowercase u is for a user, right? Lowercase u is for a username. Okay. So I did have all that right. It just does not want to, not allowing me to connect to it. That's good. That's all. We can work with that though, can't we? Because once we get out of the box, at least we know some stuff. This thing's showing Node.js Express Framework. I actually want to take a look at that. That's for port 1337, right? Yep. Port 1337 is showing this. Okay. And port 33060 is showing this up here. And it looks like MySQL. And let me go ahead and throw the what I did up here. There we go. There we are. Okay, cool. So we got all that so far. Probably about to not do much more. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and try cat dev holo live.txt. We know that there's an images. We definitely know that. We also have fonts. So let's go and check out that font thing right there. What does fonts give us? Forbidden. We are forbidden to look at fonts. You can't just be out there just looking at fonts all day. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and try that admin. That holo. Did I have one of those? Did I have an admin one? Hey, what are you guys all? Admin. Holo live.txt. Oh. Okay, so we have a bunch of 301 still. Nothing really in here either so far. Still going. Both of them are still going pretty strong. So we're going to let these guys go and we're going to see what happens. Hopefully we get something, right? Hopefully we get something. We'll also run a nicto scan on all these guys if we don't get anything. So we do like a nicto URL HTTP. We'll try admin.holo.live. That's it. Okay, we can always try something like that. Same thing with dev, right? Nicto, and we try dev.holo.live, and what was that, Sharma? What is that cool thing? I don't know what that means. Sharma, you can cheer? How did you cheer? Oh my God, everyone is so far advanced than I am. Saw me the other day trying to add people to a Facebook thing. Oh my God, that was oof. That was a rough time. You know, I didn't know you could cheer. It's craziness. All right, let's try to. We could also, if we want to, use Zap. As I said, it's like a real network, right? Now, remember something. Running all this stuff at once, that might be too much for something. So if it's like a production thing, or if it's like a Raspberry Pi running something or something like that, Internet of Things, that might crash it. So this is like real life, you know. You don't want to just sit there and start just blasting stuff off like, you know, you're Billy Badass or whatever. Here's 40 front answer. You heard of hype trains? I've not heard of hype trains. What's a hype train? HTTP. We'll do. People can support me financially. That would be pretty cool. It's not coming to me, but that would be cool. Admin has 3 on robots.txt. Yeah, I said in the beginning of this, if I ever get any money from YouTube or Twitch or anything, I don't know how I get the money, but I said in the beginning, if I ever get any, then I think I made like $14 so far, something like that. But I was like, yeah, if I ever actually get a check, it's going straight back to the people that watch. So I was gonna do like a Raspberry Pi giveaway, stuff like that. But that's, you know, obviously as soon as I can make, you know, like $100 or whatever, or, you know, like 150, depending on where it needs to be shipped and everything like that. So yeah, it was good to do that, or, you know, maybe the vouchers, whatever else. But yeah, I never really thought about it after that. But no, I've never heard of it. That's how top streamers earn on Twitch stream. Hype trains? Oh, cool. I mean, I don't know. I know I'm not a top streamer. I know that much. I'm gonna go with I'm in the lowest percentile of it. All right, let's see here. So robots.txt does have something here, but that is okay with me again. Robots.txt, because I was like doing this for fun. So we have a var. I wonder if we can use this guy or this gal now to get us to that var www. It's not HTML, is it? No, that's where I was messing up the first time. Admin / Database super secret directory. Yes, that one. Okay, let's go ahead and actually print screen this like real quick. I had popcorn kernel stuck in my stuff. Okay, we'll do this and then we'll go. Hey, we have our admin one. We found this. All right, from a Nicto scan. That's right here, right? So let's go ahead and copy this. We'll do that. Control V, and then we'll show the Nicto scan that showed that we had 3 robot.txt. No, that's over here. We can go like this. And Apache's outdated, stuff like that. So, you know, those would all be findings. They wouldn't be anything like, you know, like huge, like, oh my God, you failed findings. But those would just be things like, hey, just so you know, your Apache's out of date. So if something were to come out, you don't have the latest version of Apache, you know. So if an attack does come out for 2.4.29, you are susceptible to it, you know, things like that. Then recommend update to the newest Apache, you know, stuff like that. But what does that do? I still don't get it. What does shearing do, or what was it called? I'm so confused. I don't know what that does. I'm still confused. Alright, let's go ahead and cat that admin.holo.live.txt. Then we can also see it in here too. And there's our robots.txt with a 200 like right there. So we would have gotten it either way. So that's good. And if we were to do an admin.holo.live and we were to attack that, he found it pretty much immediately. Let's go ahead and look at him. Super secret directory. Man, okay. 449 found, but he did find a super secret directory. So we know that the super secret directory does exist. Alright, cool. So let's try to look at creds.txt within the super secret directory. Alright. So I at least want to be able to log in today. /that. Enter. Open. Oh, right. And then we already find it. We already found that, didn't we? Yeah, we already found that, like right there. But that's the second time we found it now, so that's good, I guess. Because we found that in here, our own way of doing it. But we did find an admin also. Let's go ahead and look at db.php and also dashboard. Let's go ahead and look at both of those also. I don't have anything in it. That's what it was, right? /admin db. Whoopsie daisy. And /admin db, and then the other one was dashboard, right? Huh, it's weird that nothing was in that one. Okay, dashboard has something. This is just a jacked up ass version of the site. This just goes to somewhere else. No, it doesn't. Never mind. Stats. Software's out of date. Please update account. Yeah, it's just kind of a jacked up version of the site, like right there. And like I was saying, also, this guy is also going to get him too. So action PHP. What's this? Let's see here. Let's go ahead and open that up. Open URL in browser. Firefox. What is that? Okay, that's our username and password site. I wonder if this one has any type of... No, we already tried SQL injection there, didn't we? Site alerts, medium. Missing SI. Quick jacking, low, informational, sensitive information disclosure. What's that? Password equals that. Does it not tell me if it's... Okay, it doesn't tell me anything. Let's go ahead and spider the site. Spider him, and let's go ahead and start active scan this site. Actively attack it, right? Attack mode, turn on. And this guy's going to start just trying to attack this site. That's just something else you can do with Zap, which I find pretty cool. And there's our creds.txt, like right there. So I mean, if we really want to, we could just did it this way. Probably found it a lot quicker, but Oh, really? Oh, probably because we can't get to it like that. Yeah, we can't get to it like that, but we would have seen it and then been like, huh, var to be the admin super secret directory, and we can do the L5 somewhere else, right? But we already have that information like right there, so that's not really. It's helpful to us, but what are we really going to do with it now? Because we already have the information, right? Oh God. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. We just need to figure out what to do now. So that was. There's going to be more of this admin site over here. There's going to be a lot more of this admin site over here. I wonder if that DB user can log into that guy. Actually, now I think about it. That you know, cat was database user. Yeah, admin DB manager login. Can he log into here? Oh, he can. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. I need to get like a little, like one of those little hotkey things where I could like say different things, like emotional damage, like let's go, you know, all that stuff. Isn't that emotional damage? That's a pretty fun one, right? That's a funny one, like right there, right? What can I do in here? Software's out of date. Please update. Okay. What software? It says dashboard. Dashboard. A3 visitor state not found. All right, that was useless, like right there. No, I am still in Zap. So, Marvel JavaScript library. Is there really now? 3.3.1, huh? It's a medium risk. Yeah, you like that, don't you? You know what else we could also do? We can take this guy. Let's do this the real way. Oh, yes. Let's go ahead and start Nessus. And I always figure how to start Nessus. How to start Nessus. In Cali. Yep. Thank you. Alright. How you get started with Nessus. Boom, boom. I always forget. But let's do this the real way, huh? Okay. Where's it at? Install Nessus. There it is. Okay. Go ahead and throw him into here. Actually, let's open up a new tab for this one, huh? That worked out great. Scene Etsy init.d. Okay, let's locate Nessus. How about that? He's an op Nessus. Is he nowhere else? Are you not entertained? He's an op Nessus. Okay, so let's cd into opt. Let's do Nessus. Great, I already forgot how to start Nessus. Great. I wonder if I already did that. I wonder if it's already started. How about that? Because that would have been smart of me, huh? 8834. Let's try that. Let's try to go localhost 8834. 127.001.8834. Ha! I already started it. And I think I did Cali as the user password too. Ha! I did. Man, you know, not all of us can be geniuses. Alright, let's do a new scan. We are going to do a web application test. Right? And we're going to do that for admin.holo.live, but we're actually going to do it for, yeah, we'll do admin. Okay, thank you very much, Tenable. Thank you very much. That was admin, right? And that it was the DB user, right? Password that we found. So let's go ahead and grab that again. DB manager. Let's go ahead and grab that again. Control V, enter. Don't save. Now we actually want to do this. Control C. And I believe there's also a place within Nessus to actually log in. I believe there is at least. Let's go ahead and that guy's still attacking. We'll let him do his thing. Did I already mess up? 127.834. Okay, your plugin feed has not been updated. Yes, I know. Thank you very much. Web application test. Name. Admin Holo live. Test on admin Holo. Admin.holo.live for try hack me. Boom. Discovery credentials. There we go. Plain text authentication. HTTP. Username is admin, and password was the not that. 100% not that. And where's that? It was DB manager login. There we go. And the login page is just admin.holo.live. The login submission page. What? What does that mean? Oh, that means these are all required. Check authentication on page. These are all required. I don't fucking know. No idea. Maybe I won't use him. Alright, he's still working over there. Dashboard doesn't do anything. That guy doesn't do anything. That guy's saying his software's out of date. Nothing's really happening here, huh? We do /php $file equals. Can we do that? We're just gonna break it. No, nothing happened. Okay. So what does this thing actually want us to do now? Because what does the dashboard want from us? That's what I don't get. Like, what does the dashboard? What do you want? You gotta be doing something, right? What are you doing? What are you? What version are you? What are you? All right. Who are you? I really want to know. Okay. Sidebar. Admin Holo live. Okay. Good. Cool. Okay. Software is 100% out of date. Visitors today. If get command equals null. Equals null. What the fuck you mean if get command? You think of what I'm thinking? If get command equals null? Let me get rid of this first. That didn't exist before, right? Before I found this, right? What do you mean if get command equals null? Like, are we going to... Command. Fine. I don't want that. I want to find something. Command. If get command equals null, why would the get command... What is the get command for? Hold up. Alright, did I show those credentials worked? No, I did not. The above credentials are the same ones as before. Putting those into admin.holo.live logged us in. Okay. Then we have that, and then we have this get command, right? Are we literally going to be able to do a question mark command equals ID? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So we have command execution. Shown below. Command execution is found. Now, real life, if you got this far, like right here, and you could show command execution, you were actually able to exploit that and actually get into the back end of it, you would stop the test and you would call them and be like, hey, we got a freaking real problem. You know what I'm saying? You would just keep going like it's you know, like you're in a what's it called? Like you're in one of your own little testing environments and it's just a fun thing to do. You would stop the test at this point and then call them and be like, hey, you guys, this is jacked up. What happened here? So let's go ahead and look at try hack me, right? And this is called Holo. Holo. And let's go ahead and paste him into here, huh? We'll name him Holo. Not CTB. Well, I don't think I even need CTB, but we'll save him in there as Holo. And we do have that command execution is found. Looking at the URL, we can see that if we put command equals something, we can then return an output. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and let's see if we can do like a which bash. All right, let's see if we can put spaces in. Let's see what we can do with this. Which bash. Put a space in there and we do get a bash. Okay, cool. So can we do a bash reverse shell? Let's go ahead and cat a script bash reverse shell. Can we do this guy? And just throw in there our IP address, which is going to be different because remember we are now using, you get to upgrade from Facebook from more on Twitter. You got all your friends on. So I am on Twitter now. I got Twitter. Don't know how to use it, but I got it. By God, I'm doing something on there. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that, like right there. What's up, Marceline? I just hate to see it. Let's go ahead and grab this and throw this guy up here. And let's make let's actually go into MSF console. This is what I'll do for real. Exit out here. We could probably stop these two guys over here. Exit. And we do a cat or a use exploit multi-handler, right? Yeah, I am Overgrown Carrot 1 is my Twitter account now. I think that's what it's called. Yep. And Reddit. I don't know what the hell my Reddit name is because it gives you like your own name or something that tells you what your name's gonna be. What's your Twitter handle? Big Bush Little Twig. No, I'm just kidding. Let me look at Twitter. I don't know how this stuff works. Twitter. I think it's just Overgrown Carrot 1. No, it's not. Never mind. It's 100% not. Over GC1? Is that like a thing? Profile. Oh, this is hard. Some hard stuff. Yeah, it's got to be over GC1. So it's, whoopsie daisy. So it's OVER over GC1. That's what it says I'm at. I think that's it. Share. Copy URL. Oh my God. I think I just did something. Alright. There's that, like right there. Okay, back to this guy. Set our L host as 10 whatever. Set our L port as 999. Let's go ahead and run that. And let's go ahead and get that bash reverse shell up and running. Shall we? Hopefully it works. Okay, bash reverse shell. Enter. Nothing. It didn't even try to even like. It's kind of weird. Nothing. Okay. That's okay. Right? You can skip the later part, just need the initials. Oh, look at all that, huh? Look at you, alright. Alright, so the bash reverse shell did not work. Let's try for a cat scripts. Let's do a, not bash reverse shell, but a, not netcat reverse shell. Yeah, netcat reverse shell. We'll do this one like right here. Might have to do like a PHP something, right? Might have to. And we'll do our IP address again of 10.50.104.236. port 4242. Let's change it to 999. And I may also want to make that port so it's like 53 or something like that. I don't know how realistic this box is going to get. Nothing. Okay, maybe I need something with... Yeah, I noticed. Thank you very much. Let's replay it in browser. Let's replay it in console. I don't know. Okay, I'm thinking we can get a reverse shell with this, right? That's something we can definitely do is get a reverse shell. Now we just have to figure out how we're going to get that reverse shell. I wonder if I just need to put in a quote or something stupid like that. You know what I'm saying? You know, but I'm thinking that we obviously need a reverse shell to get this guy up and running, right? Maybe I just need to put him in quotes, quotation marks. Maybe he'll work. Let's try that. Why is the command like that? I didn't want cat. Should be a lot more than just that. It should be that like right there. He does not want to make a call back, does he? What up here? This one is right here. Nope, he does not want to make that call back. $236. Okay. PHP reverse shell one-liner. Maybe something like that. Maybe PHP reverse shell. Maybe a one-liner or something like that. Something like this. Execute bin sh. Shell execute bin sh. Just start trying these guys like right here maybe. Let's go ahead and do something like that, huh? Yeah, let's go ahead and do something like that. Let's try some different PHP reverse shell one-liners. Like right there, we'll see if we can get those guys to work, and hopefully we do. Hopefully soon. Think about actually, because they're all 4242, aren't they? Yep. So only have to change the IP address. We're just gonna do a quick set all port 4242, run that, and then we'll do a quick, and then we'll do our config down here again. 10.50.104.236, right? Go ahead and grab that like right there. Control Shift C. Hopefully I don't have to do anything weird with this guy because I'm going to be trying a bunch of them at once. Or a bunch of them, you know, just going through and just trying them all. Okay, failed to read. He's trying. He's at least trying now, it looks like. Let's try it on this guy over here. Okay. So none of them two got that one. Let's keep looking through. Whoopsie daisy. Let's keep looking. Grab this one right here. And we're just going to keep kind of going with it. .50.104.236. Try this one right here. Nothing. Come on now. Nothing. Poofs McGee. Okay, let's keep going. We have plenty to try. Some of these don't even look like they're going to work, but we have plenty to try. This is like where I want to get to at least. I at least want to make some type of user or get something. You know what I'm saying? Even though making a user, I don't think it's going to do anything. Well, I don't know, because it closes like every 9 days or something like that, right? So I don't know if making a user will actually do anything for us or not. Still nothing. Okay, that's okay. Let's keep on trying. We keep on keeping on. Let's see what this is. It's going to be this one like right here. I can feel it. System, bin-sh. This is the guy. This is the one. I should just read them all. This is going to be the one. I can feel it. I got a feeling. Alright. This is the one like right here. No point even plugging it in. I already know it's the one. I'm not even going to look. It's going to Control V. Go straight back over there and start typing in ID. ID. Alright, that was not the one. 750, 104, 236, 4242. Alright, come on now, big guy. I feel like you had to be the one. Alright, I really thought that was actually going to be it. Let's try this pass through, then we'll try this P open. And from there, we're, whoopsie daisy, we're kind of in the same spot we were in 5 minutes ago. You know? We're kind of be in the same spot that we were 5 minutes ago. Nothing. I wonder if this URL encoding is also what's messing it up too. I wonder if it's also because it's not actually in like a file or something like that. That's what's messing up. I wonder if we need to do a wget. I wonder if we can actually run a file or if it's just going to read files. I don't know. You know? Can we just make a file and have a wget? Let's do a quick test. Let's see if we can then make it run test.sh or something like that. Can we do something like that? Sort of. Echo, hello. Hello, not found. Okay, cool. Hello. Okay. Sometimes if I get a hello back, that means it actually ran. Oopsie daisy. Can we do a wget? HTTP test.sh. LS Tech LA. Where the heck's it at? No, we cannot do a wget HTTP test.sh. Did it even try to get it over here? It did not. Okay, good. 1050, 104, 236, right? Do you even have wget? No. Okay, well there's a problem right there. Okay. Alright. So now we gotta try to figure out how are we going to, we have command injection, right? So we're getting somewhere. We're 100% getting somewhere with this guy. We have command injection, and we got to the point where we might be able to actually do something here. We got to the point where I'm about to take a small 5-minute break, because yesterday that's what was happening, and that seemed to actually help out a lot, especially with the longer boxes that we were doing yesterday and stuff. And we did 3 boxes, I think, yesterday. So I'm thinking I'm going to take a break here in a minute, and we're going to figure it out from there. But as of right now, how the heck can we get command. We have command execution, right? But we don't have anything. What are we going to do? Because PHP things aren't working for us. They are not working at all, right? The PHP stuff is not working at all. But we are getting somewhere. So does this thing have NC tacky on it? Scripts, and we'll do a quick I wonder if they got any users on there. No. Doesn't really look like it, does it? No, it does not. There's no users at home. Great. Okay, so this thing doesn't have any users on it. Okay. Okay, reverse shell. Let's try this. Try something super easy. Maybe I've just been going too hard, huh? Whoopsie daisy. 1050, 104, 236. We're going to do 10, 50, 104.236. That's still running? Okay, so NetCat-E is going to give us our reverse shell. Why don't you stream on Twitch, YouTube at the same time? You get the same stream on YouTube. Because if you are a Twitch affiliate or whatever, you cannot stream at the same time on another platform. That's why. So that's why I don't do both. Okay, so we got a command shell session open now, right? Let's go ahead and show how we did that with this guy right here, right? And we'll go ahead and put that in there. And we're also going to copy and paste that too. That'll make sure that the people put in their own IP address right there. So we will do a, where's my, yep, right here. So we have that, right? We have the web page, then we finally do a reverse shell. We throw that in there, right? Why you want the videos to come out sooner? Alright, there we go. Control C. And we'll throw that into here also. And then we'll say right here, your tunnel IP. I'll say right here, whoopsie daisy, your port. Alright, so there's all that, right? Now from here, what we can do is we can go ahead and show that we made a reverse shell in here, right? Crap. Something I always like to do is I like to do a show options. I should have just did Control Z. I don't know why the hell I just exited out of there. That was stupid of me. But we're just going to go ahead and then we're going to type in run. We're going to print screen all this right here so then they can see the options that I'd used. Right? We'll say set lhost to your IP, set lport to your port, and then we'll do a, go ahead and we'll grab this again, bam, and we'll get back in there, and there we go, ID, ifconfig. This is to show that, yes, this is your machine, your box, everything like that. And we do have an internal IP address on it of 192.168.100.100. So we are going to be pivoting. So Control-Shift print screen. Let's go ahead and grab that, like right there. All right. And we can see that we are going to be pivoting somewhere along the lines here, it looks like. So let's go ahead and throw that into there. Boom, boom. Okay. We now have a reverse shell, right? Let's do a shell use or search for shell 2. And we'll use 0, show options, set our L host to 10 whatever. Doesn't really matter actually, we just have to set the session, which is going to be 2. So if I do sessions tag I, we see that we're on session 2 like right now, and now I'm going to do a set sessions to 2. Let's go ahead and run that and see if that works. So we can get an interpreter shell up and running on it, which is just going to make it that much easier for us to pivot, anything like that. I don't know how this guy wants us to pivot. He may want us to pivot a totally different way, but it looks like we have an interpreter session up and running on that guy. Sessions tag I, and we show that we now have an interpreter session, right? So let's go ahead and actually do, let's actually show this, like right here. Boom, boom. Okay. And we'll say reverse shell, making interpreter session. Okay. And then we'll do this down here. Show that. Then did I actually show that we typed in run? Yes, I do. We got that. Cool. So we now have an interpreter session up and running. We can do session 3. And from here what we can do is we start to do everything that interpreter can do, but we can also do shell. We can do that if we want to, okay? Yes. Really whatever we want to do now. I'm actually going to do shell. We're actually going to figure out what's actually going on here. We'll cd into home. Let's try to get the root password also, because if this was a real box, we got those credentials, right? We still have that DB admin credentials. If I cat my database user pass.txt, we still have those. So if we do a MySQL tac u admin, and then the password, MySQL tac u admin tac b. Can I do this? And then the password being this. Terminate that channel. Let's go ahead and get back to the shell. Which Python? Which Python 3? Okay, so we do have Python 3. Let's go in cat scripts full shell. And we'll throw this Python 3 one in there. There we go. Okay. And we'll go ahead and we'll say for full shell or whatever. We'll go ahead and throw this guy out there. We'll go ahead and say full shell. Okay, we're good. More interactive shell. Whoopsie daisy. Say that. And now we want to start to look at the database, right? So let's go ahead and do a MySQL tac u admin tac p, and we can look at that cat database user pass.txt, DB manager login. Throw that in there. Okay, cool. We're in. Show databases. And before I even do that, let's go ahead and print screen this guy like right here. Got some password reuse. We got a lot of things like right here. We'll say web page. Actually, we'll go right back to Holo live. And we'll say database. Database login through reverse shell. All right, cool. Oh, interpreter session 3 closed. Why is that? Search for shell 2. Nope. Let's go ahead and run it again. We can run it again. Oh. Command shell session 2 closed. Session tag I. Ooh, we lost everything, huh? Go ahead and try it again. Did it just reset or something? No, we just got kicked. I don't know why. Let's try it again. That's okay though. Cannot connect to the server. Admin.holo.live. Why not? We just lose internet? That might be it for today then. Like right there. Because he's not able to connect anymore for some reason. Did someone break it and they're just too dumb to fix it? Did someone like delete the thing? And this is why I hate shared boxes. Someone else try to fix it. They're like, oh, I got an idea. We'll make it so nobody can use it. Is that what happened? If so, that would be really cool. Yeah, we're not getting anywhere with this thing anymore. If we refresh this guy like right here, even if we vote to reset him, it's gonna take forever. We try to vote to reset him, but that's gonna take forever. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue trying to get to admin.holo.live. Oh boy. My IP address all of a sudden just changed? Because we got into this guy, 192.168.100.100, didn't we? Isn't that what IP address we saw? Remember we did an IP config on him? We got all the way down there, didn't we? Did this guy attack him too much? What happened? Yeah, 100.100. So we saw this guy right here. So we got into L server 02. I don't know if we're supposed to be this guy. I don't know who we're supposed to be in. Well, we obviously got to go from this guy right here. Network state stopped. That could be a problem. All right. Well, that's starting up. I'm going to go outside real quick, let him start up. And, yeah, then we'll continue working on this guy. So I will be back a couple minutes. There's like 10 of you in here. I didn't even know. Back. So that guy should have started up by now. Let's go ahead and try him again with that cat, right? Netcat reverse shell. And, oh, we got to log in. And it was admin and DB manager, right? Login. And grab that. Don't save it. Okay, cool. So we're back with that. And we can go ahead and do the question mark command, NC, boom. And we get our shell back, right? Control Z, yes. Search for shell 2, U0, shell interpreter. And we'll go ahead and we'll session attack guy this guy. We'll set session to 4 now. And we'll go ahead and run that. We'll exit out of here. There we go. So, hopefully we get an interpreter session out of this. Make it easier for us to do everything. Sessions 5. We'll go ahead and do a cat full scripts. Never mind. Python 3 is like right here. We'll go ahead and go into a shell. Do our Python 3 right. Break it, I guess. Break it again, I guess. Okay, we're just not going to worry about that guy. Let's go ahead and go into background him, session 4, and we'll try to do our Python script like right there. Okay, which Python? Is Python different now? So user bin Python 3. Okay, that does exist. Okay, let's go ahead and try this guy. Okay, there we go. Was I doing escaping RBash before? I was doing escaping RBash. Okay, whoops. Alright, so we now have that. Let's go ahead and do a MySQL, tac u admin, tac p, and try and get into their SQL server, right? See if this works, which we know it already does. At least we think it does. Alright, and this is right where we got to last time, right? Database login, boom, boom. Okay, and then we get here, show databases. And we get here. Let's go ahead and print screen that. Under MySQL, blah, blah, blah. Show databases. There we are. Alright, so we got WordPress database still, MySQL performance this. So let's go ahead and try to start breaking some of these passwords, stuff like that. Select or use MySQL, I guess. Show tables. See what we got here. Use select star from user. Alright, we got a bunch of, well, my native password. This is not a valid password. This is not a valid password. This one is, though, like right here. That's a valid password. Okay, let's go ahead and try running that one more time. Okay, that's not really very helpful now, is it? But we are getting passwords for different people. We do get something here. Because that and that are two different things, then this is not a valid password that can be used here. Might actually look into that a little bit more, but let's go ahead and do a show tables again. Or show databases. Use WordPress. That's why show tables. This one should actually give me some users. Select star from WP users. We do get both those. So we do get the admin one over here. Right? That might actually be the same exact password as what we had before. But we'll try it. Let's go ahead and do a nano pass.text. And that was for the user of admin, right? Let's try John pass.text word list equals user share word list rocky.text. See if this can be cracked easily. That looks odd. What looks odd? The password, or because it was all craziness? I mean, we're still trying to figure out how to actually be able to, you know, increase our privileges here, because we most likely do have to increase our privileges to root. We are in try hack me still, so you know we most likely have to do something still, right? We do have the ifconfig. So we are getting somewhere, right? Because we do have that ifconfig and everything. Yeah, the string pattern, yeah. The ifconfig was 100, right? Go ahead and exit up here. It doesn't look like he's going to be able to crack down like right there. So it's easily what we thought. ifconfig again. Okay. Let's go ahead and go into $9. No, that's the oh, you mean the last one's up there? Yeah. Okay. So let's look at let's Control Z out of this guy. Yes, back on that session. Sessions 5. Let's go ahead and where am I? var www admin cd back. var www. Okay, let's go ahead and do a little copy locate limpies. How about that first? I mean, we use any one of them, but we will go ahead and grab that. And let's go ahead and copy from there to here, right? And let's go ahead and do an upload limpies.sh, cd and /temp, and we'll try again. Upload limpies.sh, change mode 777 for limpies.sh, and let's go ahead and run limpies.sh. I think it's like that, right? Maybe I actually... Is it like that? That was the worst idea I've ever had. Okay. So, I don't know what just happened. Let's try to run that again. I have had bad ideas in the past, and that was one of them, like right there. If we are able to get to root on this guy, I'm probably going to be done after that, for today at least. What? You've been doing it. We've literally done this a few times now. Using full kits to prevent Linux for a while now. Oh, people seem to have it. There's a patching everywhere. Ah, okay. I'll have to look into that. What's going on here? Okay, whatever. Sessions 5, Sessions 4, whatever. Okay. There's that. CD and /temp. And let's go ahead and run that lint piece. We already looked in that guy, right? That 3306 like right there. As you start from the top, is this virtual machine? Yes. Is this a rootless Docker? No. Huh. Is this a container? That's a Docker. Okay. So we're in a Docker like right now. So that's something. Something we may want to realize like right there. Let's go ahead and show that we ran limpies and show that we are in a Docker, shall we? And I still have to show how I uploaded limpies, now don't I? Which is, may just show that I uploaded it later on. And we'll just do it like that. Let's go ahead and actually interact with it. ID, boom, boom, boom. And we're here. Oh, thank you very much. And we'll just do this guy right here so that we did run limpies, right? So let's go ahead and show that we are running limpies. Oh, no, not that. Okay. Reverse shell. Limpies. Takes me a minute to see who actually followed. It doesn't show up on the bottom either. It would be a lot easier if that thing just showed up on the bottom, you know? It also doesn't show up on my screen. It shows up on my phone though for some reason. Oh, Zanzarine. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for following. I try my best. I want to say I'm not good, but Docker. Alright, so we are in the Docker like right now. Oh, I got Jesus. I got two. Oh God. 3306. We already did that. Did that. WP config files. I want to see what's in there. I should go to OBS. If I actually put the alert box above the window capture, which right now it is. It's above the window capture also. If I put it all the way up here. You try sudo tac L. I don't have a password. I'm in www.dalig right now. I could try sudo tac L, see if we can write anything without password. I have yet to try that one. Just trying to see if really trying to see if we were somewhere special. Since thank you very much, Wizard Man. I was really trying to see if we were anywhere special because I know that we're in an entire network and we had that 192.168 address, 100.100. I want to see if we were inside type of Docker. That's why I immediately went there. And unexpected root, we also have Docker in there also. So I feel like we are in a Docker like right now. We also have our backups. That's something we might want to look at. But that was what I really wanted to see is, are we in a Docker or not? And do we have to break out of this Docker? What do we have to actually do with this Docker? but we are running as www data like right now. That was also why I went to the database to see if we could find anybody else, but there's no one allowed on this machine. If I go to CD home, put the same password that we had over here. Yep. If I go into home, I do an LSTACK, there's no one on here. So, and then if I do a cat SD password, there's no one that has bin bash on here also. So we figured that one out a little bit ago whenever we found that local file inclusion. So there's nothing really much on here, so that's why I feel like I need to become root on this guy. But then again, it's an entire network, so I don't know if I'm supposed to become root on him and actually, you know, continue to try to push toward that or not. But we are running a Docker. We did see that, right? We all know that is agreed upon, like right there. We are running in a Docker. So now we have to probably get out of Docker, maybe? I don't really know. Do we have to do anything with the Docker? Does it matter if we're running Docker? We could always just continue pushing on, see if I can talk to somebody else. Like, do we have like an ARP? We could always try ARP and see what we got there. You know what I'm saying? We could always try to go back into SQL and find more stuff, but let's go ahead and just try to see what's in ARP. See what's in IP route. Or route, excuse me. IP route, yeah, okay. Alright, let's try to Control Z, yes. Run this again. I don't know why Shelter Interpreters all of a sudden went stupid. May have to make an interpreter shell. Just then do a callback like that. Just have another shell open with him. But we may not even have to do that in all honesty. Let's log, see if anything is logged in recently. More real world check and not for CTF. Could do that. Give me 1 second. I really want to do a proxy change like real quick. Let me cat my what is it? Etsy proxychange.com. Okay, I do already have stocks 5 in there on 1080. Let me go ahead and search for stocks. Use 2, show options, set, or yeah, run. Okay, now search for port scan. Use a TCP one, right? 5, show options. And let's go ahead and set the R host 192.168.100.0/24. Let's just try to run, let's set ports, because if it's an internal of a network, then we're going to have like 139.445.3389. Let's still try 21, 22, 23. Let's still try those ones. Let's still try 80, 80, 80. Let's try all those. And let's go ahead and run it like that. Let's see if we get anything back. 111, that's a good one. You go ahead and run 111. Yeah, it was 11. There we go, okay. And we'll go ahead and let's try to run that and see if we're going to get anything in there. Let's also see if we can get a ping by any of them. I highly doubt it. Is 1081 messing with 1080 like right now? Is that what's happening? No, it's not. Okay, no. Okay. Port mapper. Okay, let's well, that's running. I want to get back into that database because we got so much stuff with database credentials so far. So I kind of want to look back at that database also and see if we find anything in there. We do have, we do have the network layout like right here, right? And he's saying that he's 100.1, which means that we should have got to him immediately, right? So can we just do it for set our host to 192.168.100.1. He was also a Linux machine too, isn't he? It's showing him as a Linux machine too. So should we just do set ports for 1 through 10,000? Run that. I feel like we should have saw 22 or 80 or something else open in there. Because he also didn't see one up here either. He would have pinged him, right? And he didn't ping him up there. So let's oh wait. Okay. Search for auto route. Use 0. Show options. You gotta be kidding me, right? Sessions tech I. Set session 4. Did everything else. Set subnet to 192.168.100.0/24. Run. Session is not yet fully established. Try again in a bit. Ooh. Do I have to kill something here? Okay, I killed that. Do I have to kill something else here? Let's go ahead and search for shelter interpreter again. Use 0. If this one doesn't work, need more proxies. Okay. Run him. If this one doesn't work, let's go ahead and make a interpreter. So say screw it. We'll make an MSF Venom. MSF Venom. TACP Linux. We don't know if it's x64 or not. Sessions 4. Let's try host name real quick. See what we got here. That's our host name. Uname TAC A, right? x86, 64, okay. x4 shell, reverse TCP, but we're not going to do that. We're actually going to do a Sinister Draco. How you doing? Let's go ahead and if you never know which one to use, let's go ahead and use exploit multi-handler. So if you don't know which one to actually pick, you can set our payload or what you can choose. Linux, should be Linux x64. Interpreter, hit tab twice. So we got interpreter, reverse TCP. We should be able to do a reverse TCP from this one, like right here, because we can talk directly to him. Show options. Yeah, that looks pretty good. But let's set our L port to 2222, because I already did one with one on another one. And let's make sure that is my IP address. I have config 1050.104.236. Yes, it is. Okay. I actually wanted to do that so you guys can see it better. All right. So I remember you from Sheep's channel. Yeah. I like watching him. He's fun to watch. 1050.104.236. Pretty good. Yeah, makes it enjoyable, you know. It's going to be an elf file, shell.elf, we'll call it that, and we will do a, hey, thanks a lot. Appreciate our Sinister Dracos. Thank you very much. Let's go ahead and do a x64 interpreter, right? Interpreter / reverse TCP. Now, this is going to be a stage payload, not a stage list, so it's going to send a little bit off. And then it's going to do it again, right? So it's going to send a little bit off, come back, talk to him, and then send it off again. We know that because of this slash like right here. Stages are going to be like right here. So stage payload isn't working very well. Stretch. If stage payload isn't working very well, then we'll go ahead and we will use that stageless payload. Oh man, there you go. Is that good? We'll do these stretches like right here. And all right, there we go. It's going to make that. Going to go into sessions 4, and we'll do our wget. Python 3 tac mhttp.server. Let's do that ifconfig again. So I have this like right here, right? And we'll do a wget http / shell.elf. Right? Wget command not found. I didn't think about that. Last time we were able to upload because we got the shelter interpreter, and this time we are not. how are we going to do this one? Can you install it? Are you root? Okay, last time we were actually able to upload something because oh my god, okay. We got this to work once so far. He has yet to work after that. We can't do a W-get. It shows on a target plan for BSD can't be upgraded to interpreter at this time. But you have before though. You did once before. Okay. We have to get to root. Like, we really have to get to root. Let's go ahead. Let's check out. I said I did want to check out that dashboard again, right? The freaking whatever the heck it's called, MySQL. Tech U root tech P, and the password was going cat R database. There we go. Dashboard. Yeah. Okay. Database. Okay. Oh, admin. MySQL tech U admin. Show databases. I don't know. We use this yet? No. Show tables, right? Oof. Okay. User summary. Definitely looking for something with users, right? Session, user summary. Try that one like right there. Let's try user summary. I've not seen, yeah, I haven't gone to sys yet, so let's try this one. So let's go ahead and do a set table or use show tables. Select star from him. I don't know why it just took me so long. What? Invalid tables or columns. I mean, it's right here. Alright. I'm not allowed to do that. Okay? I've already used WordPress, already got MySQL. Let's try information schema, I guess. User privileges. Try that. Nothing in here. I want to reset this guy, but I'm not allowed to vote more than once. Uh-oh, he voted in the last hour. I want this guy to be reset. Because I feel like... Let's see. I mean, I've done something before, obviously. Ready to use compiler. Was Leroy Jenkins, so... What is this vulnerability? Okay, yep, we got that. We found that, right? We found that guy right there. Post it. Interpreter session 1 closed. Yeah, well, our interpreter session 1 closed because of the box actually just died. We're in the Docker like right now, right? So we actually did that, huh? Stabilize your shell. Our shell's pretty stabilized down here, but is he getting an interpreter session? Upgrading simple shells to fully interactive. We already did that. Okay. You know what? I'm wondering if I actually need to. Let's go ahead and exit out here. 1 second. Probably low value. I think it's just that. Yeah. Let's exit out here. I have an idea. Let's go ahead and actually do a full shell. Okay, so we got that guy right there, right? Python text. See, we already did that. Press Control Z to put the session in the background. Then attack machine, run STTY. Yes. I wonder if I can actually do this from this shell, though. Okay, I can. No current job. Yeah, that's going to be the problem like right there. Because it's in a session. And now it's really jacked up. Okay, Control C, exit out here. Now it's beyond jacked up. Okay, that's messed up now. Close that. All right, let's go ahead and hop back in MSF console again. Oh man, yeah, that one really messed up like right there. Once I get back into it and I get that guy back and running, I think that's going to be use exploit multi-handler, show options, set the L port to 4242, set the L host to myself. Let's go ahead and rerun that guy up here. We'll go ahead and run that down there. Run. Whoopsie daisy. Run. And let's hop back over here. Go to administration panel. There's my netcat reverse shell like right there. And stop. Okay. Question mark command equals netcat reverse shell. That definitely should have worked. It is on 4242, correct? Yep, 4242. 1050.104.236. Yeah, I think I'm this guy running generic shell reverse TCP. Okay, whatever. That's fine with me. Why isn't he catching it? Exit up here. Go right back into him. Okay. It's good. Let's try to just log right back in, I guess. Maybe it's because it doesn't think that's logged in or something. I don't know. Let's go ahead and cat desktop, try hack me, Holo, DB user, right? DB manager login. Okay. Probably low value, yeah. Control V, enter. Don't save. Why is he going so slow now? What happened? Now we're about to die again. Well, that's about to be it for me anyways, because my son just woke up, so. And this thing just decided to slow down. I'm going to save the password for it. I have no idea what the heck's going on like right now, but it decided to just crap the bed. So my son just woke up. We got to, well, we really got into this guy because we still have 192.168.100.100. So I feel like we're through him and into him like right here, right? Or we're into him and we haven't seen him yet to talk to this guy over here, and that's actually external and not internal and all this other good stuff. I don't know. But I feel like we're getting there. I feel like we are getting there. Oh yeah, they found the Docker like that, huh? We're trying way too hard here. We are trying way too hard, aren't we? Much more of a walkthrough. Okay. Well, yeah. Every single time I read the actual what I'm supposed to do, I always realize I tried way harder than I had to. But let me go ahead and try to find someone on InfoSec. InfoSec streams GitHub. I'm on the one on like right now. That's probably why I have 6 viewers. Probably I had 10 at one point. Probably had more than what I usually get. What's up, bud? You want some popcorn? Come here.
It's empty.
Yeah, that one is empty. Want me to make some more? Oh, you want to hack something? Alright, let's hack something, bud. You ready? Well, this thing's moving real slow, bud, so what do you think we should do? Think we should exit out the whole thing? Try to open up another one, maybe? Okay, yeah? Okay, let's try to open up another one. Maybe a whole new Firefox? What do you think, bud? Admin, then we'll do the DB. Do you save logins? We got that DB one, huh? We just put it there. Your hair is all up in my face, bud. Yeah, that one. Copy. Let's try that one. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Let's try to copy that. We'll throw it in there, okay? Sound good?
Yes.
Okay.
Go fetch it.
Oh, I did it? I pressed enter? Posture check. I mean, I'm trying my best, Sinister. I am trying my best. I got a little guy in my way. Alright. It's not working, huh? Is that a robot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well it's not working, bud, so that's going to be... Yep, that's going to be it for now. Let's go ahead and see if InfoSec, anyone else got on the last 10 seconds. Negative. Just exit out the whole damn thing. We'll do that. How about, or the whole freaking thing. How about? We'll try one more time. One more time, huh? Don't want to give up that easily, right, bud?
Okay.
Okay. What do you want? Yeah, I'm trying. Oh, there we go. We got it. I watched your PowerShell video. It was pretty awesome. Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Draco. All right, we got it. Look, bud. Now, if we put in a question mark right, we say command equals, and then we throw in a netcat reverse shell, and then we have our listener over here. Okay, watch. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. We can get it to so that it talks. So we'll do it real time. Okay, we'll go like that. Then we'll go like this. Okay.
Okay.
And then we'll Then we'll do this. And we should look. Command shell session 1 opened.
Yeah.
Yay! Okay. Now, LS Tech LA. Now we're in, right?
Alright.
All right. Can you say we're in?
Yeah.
Did you just fart? Oh, that was your foot. Okay. Can you say we're in? Okay. Now we want to do a search for shell 2. And we're going to go to shell 2 interpreter. Use 0. Show options, right? Set our, that looks good. Let's set our session. If we do a session tag I, we see what session number we got. What number is that? What number?
1.
1. Okay, good job. So we do session 1, or set session to 1, and we can run it. And hopefully we get something. It's working, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, it's trying to work, huh? Yay!
Yay.
Alright, we got an interpreter session. What's that number?
2.
2. We got an interpreter session on session 2. So if we do session tag I, we see session 2.
Yeah.
Yay! Okay. Now we go to session 2, and let's try to upload. What was I trying to upload before? Ooh, let's get that thing uploaded like real quick, just in case this happens again. Upload shell.elf, just in case we have a problem getting in there again, and it cannot. Ooh, yes we can. CD and temp. CD and temp, and then we'll try to upload again, bud. Okay. Shell.elf. And we upload it. Oh! Junior firefighter. Here you go, bud. Better? Okay. I always get happy whenever someone gets a shell. It's so cool. Alright, cool. Is that funny?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's now do a... I wanted to do... Let's also... I already have... No, we got Docker running, right? Is that why we're stuck here? Or we're kind of stuck here or whatever? We got Docker going. So... Oh, that's...
That's robot.
That's a robot. That's an astronaut, huh?
Okay, that's astronaut.
Okay. Let's... I gotta minimize my thing like real quick so they can't see it, okay, bud? So we're gonna do bye-bye. See the screen go bye-bye?
Bye-bye, astronaut.
Bye-bye, astronaut. But there he is. Yeah, we can still see him, huh?
But... Is that what?
That was a bus. Okay, now we're back in, huh, bud? Say, we're in. Oh,
that's what?
Okay, let's go ahead and bam. Now we're back, huh? Alright, where are you going? Alright, let's, you want to get down? Get down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right. Back on Holo. And let's see if we can get out of the Docker or whatever. So they did find that Docker EMV somewhere else, right? So what flag can we find in the container? I don't know. We looking for flags? Crap. What's views.txt? What the heck is that? 83. What's db dump? What's db script? What's it running as? Shell. db script running as root. Cat. db script. And we can mess with that. db script.sh. We can actually mess with that too. And that's calling that db dump. Let's say we can execute that. Cat at the cron tab. No such file directory as cron tab. Really? Which Python? Yes, buddy. What happened? Oh, you want to juice something? Alright. Sun's awake. I said it 100 times now. I'm ready to get going. Let me try InfoSec streams one more time. And next time we will pretty much be starting off right around here, or we'll just get in that guy real quick. We should be starting off right around here and seeing, hey, how do we break out this Docker and everything like that. You guys have a good one. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. And I will talk to you all later.